Hello to you guys, this is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited today because I'm leaving Vladivostok and we are going to Moscow by train. Right now I arrived to our beautiful railway terminal. It is 9:30 evening time and we are having such an amazing summer day today. So it was so beautiful and it's literally perfect day to leave Vladivostok. I arrived to Vladivostok only with small luggage and I basically doubled that. This white bag is back with food because I will need a lot of food for being 7 days in a train. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Lisa. I'm a Russian girl living in Russia. Why do I speak English? It's because I spent several years outside of Russia. I mostly lived in Southeast Asia, and more than 1 year ago I decided that I want to move back to Russia, and since then I started to do my YouTube channel in English language. Right now I live in Moscow, but Vladivostok is my hometown. So in the end of May this year, I wanted to come here for a short trip to visit my family, and I decided that returning to Moscow by train would be a cool idea. Honestly, by now, I don't have any idea what I have signed for. I think all of these people is our train team because there are no other trains leaving today except ours. So I think we're going to board together soon. People are arriving half an hour before departure and I am thrilled. Хорошо, что сегодня и не холодно, и не жарко. Вот она засечка, 9288 километров. Начало. Провожающие войдут в это эпическое видео.
Hello, everybody.
Hello from Russian family. Вы занимаетесь рыбой?
Да.
Это ваша работа?
Да. Наша фирма называется.
Вы в Китай
В Китае.
импортируете? И крабы тоже?
Да, краба, креветка, рыба.
И что, как хороший бизнес?
Ну, тихонько.
Потихоньку?
Сейчас занимается это очень много.
Конкуренция.
Много людей занимаются.
Много, да.
На нем написано.
Да, вакцина стоит. Красиво, вообще цвет.
Там круглый год так красиво. Вот такая вот у нас приглушенная атмосфера с ярким фонарем. Мы отправились и пора разбирать кровать. We have settled in and my first impressions about this train is actually very nice. It is newest train I ever been to in Russia. Departure time of this train is 10:25 p.m. and all night today we're going to travel across Primorsky Krai. First very important task for today is brush my teeth, and look at this, guys. This is shower situation. Not that bad at all. Короче, вы знаете квартиры-клетки в Гонконге, где они живут в таких маленьких квартирах, которые размером с кровать? Вот так же я и буду жить 1 неделю, потому что все мое место это только моя кровать. This is it for the first evening. It's time to sleep. My Chinese neighbor listened to Chinese audiobook. It is very cozy. Yeah, first night and 5 nights to go. Good night.
Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling. To think about me the way I think about you. Could you tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know,
Good morning to you guys. The weather is absolutely amazing. Finally, I woke up and right now it's 9 a.m. Do you see that people from other coach, they use their blankets as a curtain? It's a very smart idea. I will do that as well. I've had very lovely neighbor from the beginning from Vladivostok. He was Chinese guy, but he was traveling only 5 hours until Ruzhina station. So he left when it was 5 in the morning, and I woke up and I couldn't tell I slept very well because I was waking up and the train is shaking. It feels like a train turbulence. So I was having mini panic attack. I was feeling during my sleep that the train can have an accident or something. I think it's going to be best part of the day, so let's have our morning coffee in a train. This is a new train, so it has very modern water machine. Usually in all trains this water machine is very scary, but this one is nice. It has and warm and cold water. In old trains you can get only very hot water. It is very difficult to pour some water in it. Okay, let's do it. Let me show you guys how well I prepared for this trip. So basically, I printed the time schedule of this train. It has 2 full pages. This is how long this train is. 7 days, minute to minute schedule. This is our first morning stop, station Vyazemskaya. We're going to stay here for 15 minutes. I'm traveling in coach number 0, so it's basically first coach of the train. I've got a new neighbor and he's a real train driver. He should drive our train, but he was late, so there he is on my background speaking to his colleague. And he's living in Khabarovsk though. These wet pipes here are for the fresh water because we need fresh water for shower. There he is on connection because we need to leave soon. We are traveling together with a bunch of soldiers and it smells here like a soldier's dorm. But at least they have very good discipline, you know, it's very quiet here. Welcome to Khabarovsk. We left Primorsky Krai and right now we are in Khabarovsky Krai. It is our longest stop in 7-day journey. It's going to be 1 hour 10 minutes. A lot of people, they're just traveling from Vladivostok to Khabarovsk, so a lot of people will leave at the stop and we will have a lot of new passengers. Here we go, look, this is Khabarovsk, the second capital in the far east of Russia. We left cloudy Vladivostok and the weather here is just so nice. It's plus 30 degrees, it's a bit windy but feels very warm. It is very good stop. I don't know where the railway station in Khabarovsk is, but it feels like it is in the city center. So I can see around a lot of shops and restaurants. So you can come outside and you have time to go to the shop or buy some food and continue your travel from here. What a funny buses they have here. I think those are Koreans, and yeah, I didn't see these buses anywhere in Russia. This is shopping mall nearby the train station. They have a food shop and then pharmacies, bear bank and even KFC here. It is very tempting to buy something in KFC, but probably I should order just a drink or coffee. I didn't have any breakfast so far in the morning because I had 2 cups of coffee and I wasn't hungry after that. But by now I'm really hungry. Even my hands are shaking, so KFC is very tempting, but I have a lot of food with me, so I've got iced coffee and I will have lunch when I return to the train. I think it is very special because 1 year ago when I was doing one of my vlogs and I have less than 10,000 subscribers on my channel, I was like, it would be cool to do a train trip from Vladivostok to Moscow, let's grow my channel. And since then I was doing YouTube for 1 year and then my channel grew and now we are here doing it and we are in Khabarovsk. I think this is absolutely crazy. We are now arriving to Birobidzhan station. From Khabarovsk to here I've had new neighbors, couple of son and father, but they stayed only for 2 hours and then they left, and most probably I will have new neighbors again. This is Birobidzhan 1. Is it boring so far? No, I don't think so. I'm not bored yet. What really helps is good playlist with music. It's very nice to listen something and just look at the window. it's so pleasant and warm outside. So we reached a station called Abluchye. Only 15 minutes a stop to stretch our legs, and after this station we have to change our clocks because we passed one time zone, guys. We are moving closer to Moscow. This is such a cute little place. Look at this, guys. It is a local railway terminal. And there is Lenin, of course, staying there. And this is our lovely train. So yeah, Abluchye town. We are somewhere in the middle of nowhere, guys. You know that after Khabarovsk we entered a very interesting space of wild space, wild Russia, because there are no large cities on the way until town of Chita, guys. So between Khabarovsk and Chita there are only small towns and wild nature. Our train is such a quiet place, not even single child and not even single drunken people traveling with us so far, which is really surprising. And I ate my noodles, as you can see my lips are red and it was really hot. It was a big mistake to put whole pack of red paste into my noodles. So yeah, and my mission for today is actually to get shower for the first time. As you can see, I'm already here, so let's get started. Shower was very successful. Yes, not really convenient, but at least it is exist. The water is hot. It is frugal shower. You need to press the button and then the water will pour only for a few seconds. But yeah, it's better than nothing. Hello, wonderful people. It was night number 2. It is 7 a.m. I slept so much better. I bought new face mask because my bed is nearby to Provodnitsa, the cabin crew zone, and she has to keep lights on, so it's very bright. And I'm sorry, this is a sun outside together with trees. That's why it's flashing, yeah. And then I built this curtain, which is really cozy, and yeah, I will stay like this because I like to be protected from other people. Welcome to Skovorodino town, guys. I'm so excited to be here because I've been here last summer. We traveled here by car, and then I stayed here for one night, and then I returned back to Vladivostok by train. I have a video about this on my channel. This is it, guys, a little cute Skovorodino terminal. This is our passenger train, and look how many cargo trains they have here. I like the landscape here. It's very cozy because Skovorodino town surrounded by hills and it's very beautiful. Because I already been here, I know the secret life hack. They have canteen with fresh food. So I've got myself lunch. I've got Oliver salad with pasta and cotoletta. I wish we can stay for longer because it's a sweet little place. But in 15 minutes we're leaving, so I need to hurry up and go back. Hi friend. Hi friend, you're so cute. Little train friend. Do you want to go to Moscow? No, I want to stay in Skovorodino. It's going to be very interesting because I never went further than Skovorodino town. I never been to Siberia or Baikal region of Russia, so undiscovered places starts right now. This is our new stop. It's called Yerofey Pavlovich. I never been here before and I went outside with my laptop because I'm trying to get LTE signal and outside is better. I'm trying to download a new video player because mine doesn't work and I cannot watch anything in my computer. It's very sad. So yeah, basically no internet on a train. You can get data only when you arrive to the station. It's time for another meal because it's dinner and I'm going to make a new recipe. I will cook instant potato. Not bad at all, almost Michelin quality dinner. What a guilty pleasure, guys. If you can watch movies 7 days in a row, lay down and eat food, this journey is very suitable for you. It is our last big stop for today. We'll stay here 25 minutes. It's 6 p.m. and it's station Magocha. I was thinking like, how do people live in those small settlements in the Far East? It feels like that life here is very different. They don't have big airports. They only have railroad and wild nature here. I'm more excited about tomorrow because we're getting closer to the Baikal Lake and tomorrow we're going to see it. End of the day today was a bit stressful because I became a victim of a thief. Someone stole my cup, but luckily we found it. So the full story is going to be tomorrow about safety and stuff. so it's very interesting. It's been 2 full days of traveling. It's already evening of day 2 and it's time to get ready for the bed. And I'm very excited for tomorrow because tomorrow we're going to reach Lake Baikal and I'm sure we're going to see a lot more beautiful places. But look at it, like we are crossing the river somewhere. It's so beautiful outside, like everywhere. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big like and wait for the next episode of my epic journey. So thank you so much guys for staying with me until the end of this video, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye.